Pop them out whenever you need some energy or a sweet bite. I'm done with that. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a keto fat bomb recipe. It's chocolate and vanilla. I put it together and it looks like a black and white cookie, but it's keto and it's a fat bomb. And it's so easy to make. I'm going to show you how, but before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells organic and non-GMO products straight to your door. Let's get started. 3 cups of slivered almonds is how this recipe begins. And I'm gonna add unsweetened shredded coconut. Sometimes it says coconut flakes, shredded coconut. Either way, you want it to be unsweetened. And half a cup of coconut oil. And then add a cup of melted coconut butter. These are so easy to make. Obviously everything just goes in a food processor. I'm gonna put them in these little mini muffin tins lined with liners. And then I pop them in my freezer or my fridge, and whenever I need a quick boost of energy or a sweet bite, I have them ready to go. 4 tablespoons of Swerve, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Also a pinch of salt. Why add salt to your sweet? It just enhances the flavors. Let's blend this up, and then I'm gonna remove half and make the other half chocolatey. If you need to go in and scrape down the sides, go ahead. If it looks a little too dry, you can add some more coconut butter or coconut oil. If it looks too loose, you can add a couple more chopped nuts or even shredded coconut. Looks good. All right, so this is my vanilla portion. So I want to scoop out about half of this mixture, and then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of cacao powder. And that's what chocolate and vanilla. Blend it up. Okay, that looks great. Let me show you how to make this. Mini muffin tin, liner. Gotta really make some space here. Okay. Vanilla chocolate. Grab a spoon and just scoop some of it out and put it on one side. You know, when you see black and white cookies, half is black and half is white, half is chocolate, half is vanilla. That's kind of what I'm mimicking here. And then half of the chocolate, push it down in. That's it. Now I'm gonna go make 35 more. All right, my keto fat bombs have chilled. They're nice and frozen. So I'm gonna show you how I like to store them. If I can get them out. I love that, right? They do look like a black and white cookie. So I just got back from camping. I had all of my worms in here. I took them out. I was like, what can I use this again for? Keto fat bombs. So here we go. Now you can use any container, a glass container, whatever, in your freezer, and then pop them out whenever you need some energy or a sweet bite. For all my keto people out there and all my keto vegans, this one's for you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please tell me if you make this. And all the products I use today you can find at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy keto cooking. You know, when you have those 2 measuring stuff for you, you never know what you're gonna get. Mackenzie's not here.
She's gone.
Yeah, well, did she measure this recipe for me?
She sure did.
Yeah. That's why she's not here anymore. You're in the back. Huh? Who, me? Yeah, you're fired, Mackenzie.